Hello! Let's go through a brief overview of some of the exciting new features and enhancements available in Jamf Pro 11.25. Custom branding settings that previously only worked with Self-Service Classic can be applied to Self-Service Plus 2.15 or later using Jamf Pro 11.25. Administrators can change the application name and icon of Self-Service Plus by editing the application header field and uploading an icon. After saving, changes are applied to computers at the next recurring check-in. Recent enhancements to Jamf Account bring improvements for Jamf Pro 11.25 environments using OIDC-based SSO. By default, administrators are logged out of Jamf Pro after 20 minutes of inactivity. Administrators who have integrated an identity provider with Jamf Account can use session options to shorten or extend the session duration and inactivity timeout. If an administrator wants to immediately end their session, they can choose to log out of Jamf Pro. This ends the session for all Jamf web apps without ending the identity provider session. As long as browser cookies are enabled, which is the default for most browsers, the Jamf Pro login page retains the last used IDP, eliminating the need to verify your domain by entering an email address. Organizations that may share the same email or user domain across departments or business units that each have their own Jamf account were previously limited to only one department or business unit being able to integrate a third-party identity provider, or IDP, for authentication to Jamf Pro. All others had to use Jamf ID. These organizations now have the ability to share domains across different Jamf accounts, enabling the departments or business units previously using Jamf ID to integrate the organization's IDP of choice. For more information, check out the Jamf Account documentation linked in the resources of this video. Jamf Pro 11.25 can be configured to host enrollment information for use with account-driven enrollment methods. Previously, organizations were required to host this information on their own service discovery infrastructure. If your organization cannot or prefers not to self-host, the Service Discovery Enrollment/Well-Known Settings endpoint of the Jamf Pro API can be used to enable this feature. For more information on how to host account-driven enrollment information on your Jamf Pro server, check out the documentation links in the resources of this video. That's all for our quick overview of some of the new features introduced in Jamf Pro 11.25. Be sure to visit the Jamf Pro release notes in the Jamf Learning Hub at learn.jamf.com for requirements and details about the features we've covered and to review all of the exciting updates in this version. Thanks for watching.